The Biden administration is announcing new immigration regulations. The new rule will empower officials to reject more migrants earlier in the asylum-seeking process. It would apply to people who ask for asylum after crossing the U.S.-Mexico border illegally. CBS News immigration and politics reporter Camilo Montoya-Galvez is in El Paso, Texas for us. So, Camilo, what's this change designed to do?
Lana, the Biden administration is publishing a new rule today that would empower immigration officials here along the U.S.-Mexico border to more quickly reject some migrants from U.S. asylum and from allowing them from applying for asylum here before the immigration system in the U.S. This would affect migrants who are deemed to be a danger to public safety and national security, including those who are suspected terrorists and also those who have serious criminal records. These migrants, Lana, are already barred under U.S. law from getting asylum, but this regulation would allow officials to more quickly deport them soon after they cross this border behind me illegally. So in many ways, this is a narrow in scope regulation, and it would not take effect immediately because it has to go through a public comment process, but it is still something that reinforces the shift on immigration by the Biden administration, which, as you know, has faced unprecedented levels of migration here along the U.S.-Mexico border. It is also, very importantly, not the executive action that we have been waiting on President Biden to potentially issue on immigration. He is right now, as we speak, considering invoking a broader presidential power to mount a more sweeping restriction on asylum here along the border.
I was going to ask you about that, Camilo, because I'm hoping you can tell us more about what that would do, because as you're saying, the stuff that we're talking about right now is narrowly targeted. This, as we understand, is going to be more broad. Explain to our viewers what exactly the president's considering.
That's right. Beyond this regulation that will be issued by the Department of Homeland Security today, President Biden is separately weighing whether to invoke this sweeping presidential authority, Lana, known as 212F, that allows presidents to suspend the entry of foreigners if it is determined that their arrival to the U.S. is detrimental to American and U.S. interests. This is an authority that was frequently invoked by former President Donald Trump to justify several immigration restrictions, including that notorious travel ban against several predominantly Muslim countries. And this regulation would essentially ban many migrants from requesting asylum when illegal crossings soar. But we are told, Lana, that the president has not made a final decision on this order. But if he does issue it, it would come before the election in November.
All right. Camilo Montoya-Galvez for us on the border. Thanks, Camilo.